Aloha, this is Justin again with Mission Zero Hawaii in our BMW i3 with the range extender. Now, for some people this is a new experience and some of the features, the bells and whistles of the vehicle are a little different. So I'm going to run you through it from the beginning. So from the beginning, I start stop, I turn the car totally off. To turn the car on, I have the fob next to me, which automatically reads by the system. And I'm going to press the start button with my foot on the brake, and the car is going to power up. I see in my gauge here that I have 54 miles of gasoline range and 52 miles of battery range. Now, using the navigation system and the different features of the car, I will use this toggle switch here, which will be to my right hand, and I can zoom in, I can zoom out, I can zoom all the way out, check out Hawaii, go all the way to the planet Earth, go all the way back to Hawaii, going back to Kauai, back to Ilima Street, in Lihui, and I can go around. I toggle to the left, I go to a couple different menu features, and then I can rotate the toggle to go to different things. I want to back out of that even more. I can go to some other features. I can back out of that even more, go to other features. So there's tons of features on here. You can get as deep into it as you like, or just keep it simple. The main thing is figuring out how to get to the radio, get into the radio. If I want to change the station, I can use these arrows here to change the station. There's two different ways to do the volume. There's a volume here for the sound, and there's the volume here on the steering wheel. Not to get confused with the temperature for the vehicle. I can make it hotter, I can make it cooler, and I can turn the air up, or I can turn the air down and turn it off, or I can just go auto and have it auto set to 60 degrees if that's where I want it. I can turn the fan up if I want a little more air to blow. Now, windshield wipers are just in front of the shifter here. So if I need to wash the window, I just pull this back and then it'll go. If I need to turn it on, I can set this thing on, or I can set this thing off. Okay. The last thing I want to show you for today is the blinkers. The blinkers are here on the left and right. Okay. To turn it off, I go the opposite of the way it was going, because if I'm not turning the steering wheel back and forth, it's not going to turn off by itself. Let me turn that air down for a minute. And the last thing is the light switch right here. Turn that thing on, or I can just have it auto on, whichever works best for you. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, you can message me or give me a call directly. Have a great day. Aloha.